Dear friends, this is my tutorial 49-2. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do population analysis pop equal to MK scheme using Gaussian 09 or 16 software. So this is the molecule. I'm going to do test calculation methane molecule. So first we have to draw our methane molecule before going to do that MK population analysis. So for this, just open your Gauss view, model your methane molecule. Just go to here, see, you can get that periodic table kind of things. Just you can click that C, then you can see different kind of things here. You can see this C tetrahedra, so that will go, then you can click it here, so you will get your methane molecule. So we need Cartesian coordinate of this molecule. So now we will save this file as a GJF file. Go to file and save. So go to corresponding folder where you want to save. So this is the CH4 optimization folder I have created. Just I'm going to save this molecule here. Just write name of the molecule, save it. So Cartesian coordinates of our CH4 molecule is here. So we are going to make input file for the geometry optimization, then we will do the MK populations analysis. So for that, just open your Gauss view, Gaussian software. So this is the one. So we need to open, go to open, go to the corresponding folder. So I already did for some calculation for pop equal to NBO scheme. Just I'm going to take some model input file, so later I will edit that input file. So this is the pop equal to NBO input file. Just I will open this here. So here you can see H2O is the molecule name. Just you want to change it into CH4. So here memory 6 million words is enough. So NPro shared also 2 is enough. So these are the 3 important keywords. You need to mention your root section. Then you have to mention that theory and basis set, and you have to do optimization frequency. So title section you have to put your molecule name. So our molecule name is CH4. So then you have to mention the charge and multiplicity. Here the total charge of the system is 0 only for methane molecule. Spin multiplicity is 1 only. So we need to copy paste our Cartesian coordinate here. So we can delete this one. This is actually water molecule Cartesian coordinate. So go to our corresponding CH4 optimization folder. So double click, you will get open this file. Just to select. So if you need not select, just you can select this one and right click and copy. So go to that Gaussian input file preparation section. Just you can paste it here, Control V, or you can right click, paste, anyone you can do. So that's all. This is the Cartesian coordinate of methane molecule. Then you can type some give some space by pressing enter. You will get some space. So that's all our input file created for geometry optimization. So then you have to do we have to save our input file. Control save as. So go to your corresponding folder. You can just rename it, because if you save like this, it will replace this file, our input file. Just you have to create a new name. I will put the _1, so you can save it. So one more things I want to tell you, if you are using Linux software, so you have to change according to that configuration, this memory and enpro shared, so you should keep it in mind. Now we can run our calculation. Just you can click run. So if you click this run, it will open like this. So go to your corresponding folder. So our folder is pop equal to mk the ch4 optimization. Just you can see it will open .out file. So now you can save this file, ch4 opt _1 .out. So our calculation now running. So this calculation will finish within 1 or 2 minutes because this is very small molecule. So our calculation is finished. So we will see our output file. This is our output file using Gauss view. So for that we need to open our Gauss view. So just you can drag here, or you can also go to file open. So I will just drag this file to here. So this is the optimized Cartesian optimized methane molecule. So if you want to see some frequency of this one, just you can go to result and click vibrations. So here you can see all frequencies are positive. That means there is no that means the system is optimized well, so there is no negative frequency. So if you have negative frequency, you need to take this optimized coordinates again. You have to do geometry optimization. So if you want to see that vibrational frequency of this molecule, you can also see. You click here, you can see start animation. Just you click it, it will show the different kind of animation. So just you can click 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see all kind of vibration modes. So if you don't want to, just you can click stop animation, that will stop, and you can close it. So now we are going to save this optimized Cartesian coordinate for our MK population analysis. So for that, what you have to do, this is that output file. Just go to file, you can click save. So here you can make a new folder, ch4 -mk. So just you can save it. So now we have saved our optimized Cartesian coordinates. So this is the optimized Cartesian coordinate of that methane molecule. So now we are going to do our MK population analysis. For that, what you have to do, just you can modify. So if you want to use the same things, just you go to here, the same calculation completed Gaussian, go to file, just you can modify. So just you can change the scheme, that population scheme you have to mention POP equal to MK. Here you have to change MK because we are doing that population analysis MK scheme. That's why I just mentioning that MK. So here we need to remove this old Cartesian coordinate. So we need to copy our optimized Cartesian coordinate of that methane molecule. So just you can select and copy, go to that Gaussian 09, just you can control V, or just you can right click and paste it, it will paste. So just give some spaces. So then what you have to do, then you have to go to again save job as. So now we can save this job. So just we can change that name MK, because we are doing that MK scheme population analysis. So that's all. Now we can run that calculation. Go to your corresponding folder, just you can save that output file. So our calculations running and completed also. So one more things I want to tell you. So if you want to know more about that MK scheme population analysis, just visit this page, sup.uni, this website. You can find that related information about this scheme. You can read it and you can understand easily. So this is the very simple method. So I will share this link to you so you can make use of it. So now we will see that output file, and we will see our that MK scheme, that population of this methane molecule. So for that, what we have to do, so this is that actually output file for that MK scheme CH4 calculation. So this is that output file. Just you can open with Notepad++. So this is the CH4 MK out file. So if you go down, so this is that you can see here Merz and Kollman atomic radii used. So this is the section for that your MK scheme population analysis. So this is the populations of that corresponding C atom. This is a negative charge to minus 0.499. So this is the H atom. The population is around 0.12 for all 4 H atom. So this is the MK scheme population analysis. So if you want to do this kind of analysis, just you can follow this video and you will understand easily, and you can get your population MK population analysis. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my content really, please like, subscribe, comment and share to your friends. Thank you.